Hello everyone. I'd like to announce our three major promotions that will be going on during our 2021 open house. The first one is the cash and carry promotion. This is a promotion that is applicable in all CDL local stores through Ontario, Quebec and New Brunswick. The second promotion is the early order discount on all CDL manufactured equipment. This promotion is from May 1st to May 31st. And the third promotion is the website or online promotion. For any purchase you do on our website, you will get free shipping. For any more details, any info you want to get, go on our website or call our local stores and you should get the information you need. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and press the notification icon to get updates on new product videos.